everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. We also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes or Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below. This week's theme for hashtag Two Crafters One Design was Rosettes. Next week's theme will be donuts. So if you have any kind of a donut, make sure you enter it into our challenge using the hashtag Two Crafters One Design. And so I thought I would use some flat rosettes, and so this is what I am using to build my rosette. I have the builders from Stamp Anything, and I'm using these right here. Also from Maya Road, and these have always looked like flat rosettes to me. I'm using these. And then another thing from Stamp Anything, I'm using Far Out. And these are things I've never used from Stamp Anything, so I was glad to get that. I'm also using this die that I had in my stash. As you can see, it has the little diamonds on there. CC Designs, I am using this one right here to go around the rosettes. And then from My Creative Time, I'm using the rectangle frame dies, and I'm just using that one right there. And if you'd like to use my code for My Creative Time, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase. Or on release weekends, it's 15% off your total purchase. And here goes the card that I made for you. I thought it turned out really pretty. I love the flat rosettes, something different. I just didn't want a lot of bulk on my card, so I opted to go this way. I didn't have the actual rosettes that are from like Pink Fresh Studio and the Greetery, so I thought I would make my own, and I think it turned out perfect. Love how it looks. And then I used the Far Out. Never used that before. I just kind of figured I could say you could have a Far Out birthday or something like that. So, but anyways, love how this turned out. I think the colors speak Halloween, but nevertheless, not only Halloween, it could just be a really colorful card. I love it. It turned out so pretty to me. And then there goes the inside. And yeah, so that's what I have for you for my project this week. So if you have the time, make sure you enter into our challenge hashtag, or our collabs rather, hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as Satmorn Makes, or hashtag rather, Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.